As you can see, the garage is quite spacious and contains quite a few items. On the immediate left-hand side, there is a light switch. Provided on your trip are these 3 cleaning agents: a waste pipe and drain unblocker, toilet fluid, and a barbecue cleaner. Next is 6 grey waste, telescopic pipes, and 1 grey waste pipe adapter. A 12-volt power jumper pack. A 16-amp external power cable, along with its own reel. A roll of refuse bags, for cleaning out the barbecue, if used. A 13-amp to 16-amp adapter. There are some powered sites that may not offer a 16-amp power socket, so this is just in case you need it. And lastly, 1 broom and dust pan, and 1 mop. Please note that the mop and bucket may be different to what is shown in this video. Four comfortable moon chairs and covers. A Weber barbecue, 1 barbecue tool set, 2 small foldable tables, and a large foldable table. Two USB portable fans, with clips. One adult cricket set, a junior cricket set, and a badminton set. A set of tire tracks. Just in case the motorhome is stuck and you require traction to get the vehicle moving. And lastly, 1 toolbox which holds some vital items for the motorhome. At the bottom of the toolbox, this is where you will find the water hose to refill the water tank. The water hose is rated food grade, and it is housed on its own reel. On the second level, you will find rubber gloves to use when emptying the toilet cassette. On the top, you will find 1 clear tube, 1 12-volt submersible water pump, and a few non-essential items. The tube and pump will be explained during our water barrel process. And lastly, 1 water cap adapter.